it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for a grounding sheet, I highly recommend this one by VOREEK.
I tested this sheet with a meter, and sure enough, it does provide a path to ground. It also comes with a grounding pen, so it's convenient to test it that way. The tip touches the sheet and the end lights up. Also, I love that this sheet provides me the benefits that I was looking for in a grounding sheet. If you've heard of earthing or heard of grounding, I bet you're going to love this just as much as I do. I really appreciate that this material is soft to my skin. It's very smooth. They weave the 90% cotton with the 10% silver, but it's not irritating to my skin. And even my kids find it to be very comfortable. It's a fitted sheet, so that's very convenient. Has a long grounding cord, so finding an outlet isn't a problem. And I like that it snaps onto the sheet and stays in place. I don't find it coming loose at all. And then the other end goes into the third hole from the bottom on the outlet. This is easy to clean. You just wash it and dry it and take off the grounding cord. I really love everything about this. It's wrinkle resistant, stain resistant, for its comfort, for what I was looking for in a grounding sheet. It really does deliver for me. It's a high quality sheet and I absolutely love it. I feel like if I can give my sleeping routine an edge, then I'm going to do that.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.